Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Powrun P-ONE to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product: powerful boost function with 2000 ampere peak current. This jump starter can start the car with a dead battery in seconds, up to 25 times with a single charge. Even if the battery voltage is too low, below 9 volts, pressing the boost button will help the engine to restart. Powrun Jump Starter Battery Pack can start up to 6.5-liter diesel and 8.0-liter gasoline engines, which is suitable for passenger car, ATV, vans, motorcycles, RVs, UTVs, trucks, watercraft, and tractors. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Powrun P-ONE battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, power button, compass, LCD screen, 15 volts or 1 ampere input, 12 volts or 10 ampere output, 5 volts or 2.1 ampere output, quick charge output, 12 volt smart jumper socket, LED flashlight, emergency light. How to use: fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge: to charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications: safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.